Should you buy the Ola F75 mechanical keyboard in 2025? Let's find out. The Ola F75 from Maker is a budget-friendly gasket-mounted 75% layout keyboard. I'm using this keyboard for more than 6 months, and despite its plastic frame, the keyboard feels sturdy and well constructed, providing a premium feel and experience. And a creamy sound. The keyboard includes a dedicated volume knob and 2 legs, with 2 adjustable levels for an optimal typing experience. The Ola F75 offers a 3-mode connectivity, supports wired USB-C, 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth connection, offering flexibility for various setups and devices. The RGB backlighting offers 19 different effects you can cycle through with FN combination. If you are looking for an affordable and a premium custom keyboard, the Maker Ola F75 is the right choice for you. Let me know in the comment what you think about this keyboard, and I'll see you in the next one.